let's get started with the shirt that I'm wearing. The shirt that I'm wearing right now, some of the conversations that have taken place in the Travel Fashion Girls Facebook group is, what's the best t-shirt for travel? What's the best white tee? What's the best black tee? So we've actually compiled some of these articles with a roundup of all of the readers' suggestions in the on the blog. So we'll include a link to that in the comments below as well. So first, this is one of the pieces, one of the t-shirts most recommended by the readers. It's by J. Crew. I'm gonna click right now to get the exact name because J. Crew has a lot of really good basics. And this is now, I literally just bought this a few weeks ago and it's already become one of my go-to tops. I love it. It washes well. It dries. I've hung it up. I've air dried it because I want to take care of it. So I try to air dry a lot of my clothing now instead of putting it in the dryer. But it's washed very well. It's not it's not piling or anything, which is awesome. So this is called the J. Crew 365 Stretch T-shirt in Tencel. I'll show it to you guys in black. This is the J. Crew tee, really nice, soft tee. I mean, it's fantastic. The fabric is so soft. It's thin, but not so much so where you feel constricted, like everything's showing. I usually, for tops, wear a size small for a comfortable, comfortable but fitted look. I feel that the key with a t-shirt that's chic and classic and something that you can wear, you can dress up with a skirt, a blazer, with heels, or you can actually wear it with a more casual outfit, joggers, your favorite sneakers, is really all about the fit. Why I love this one is you can see this in white on me right now. I'm 5'2", so you can see it has a longer length. So obviously I'm short, so it fits long, but I prefer not to wear my shirts out. I think to have a more polished look, I usually just do a front tuck and just kind of have it like so. Sometimes I'll just tuck everything in depending on the height of my pants, but these are high-waisted, so I'm just gonna go with an angled look right there. But I like that it has a very slight cap sleeve. And what that means that instead of just going straight down, it has a slight angle, which I find to be very flattering and a bit more feminine than a t-shirt that goes straight across. That's a plus. It also has, a round neck, but it's a nice soft neckline. It's not too deep, which is great because I like to have a lot of coverage, and it also isn't too high as well. So I do love the neckline for this t-shirt. It feels so buttery soft to wear. I can't even believe it. I was really skeptical when I looked at it online, but since the readers raved about it and recommended it, I trust you guys. You guys really are the experts, so I bought it. I liked it so much. I have it in white, in black, in blue, and a red as well. And it's phenomenal. I couldn't recommend it more. And for the price, I think the regular price is about $30, but it's always on sale. I got mine for about, I think, under $20 on sale. So I stocked up when I saw those. There's always incentives with J. Crew to shop. So I love this. Anything else about the top? So you can see the fit. It's a size small, but it's not too tight. It's roomy here. So if you want a little bit more room, I like that. And even then, but it's a slim fit. So it's not boxy where it's gonna completely just take away from your shape and it's not gonna look sloppy. That's so important because it's such a fine line between wearing something casual and it looks a bit on the sloppier side, where it's something that's casual and comfortable like this tee, but it has a sleeker look, a very streamlined appearance. So again, this is the length at 5'2". You can wear it out. I prefer to do a bit of a fold, and you can see it creates just a bit of a nicer look as well, but it depends on what I'm wearing on the bottom. So can't rave enough about this top. Maybe you'll be able to see the fabric a little bit better in the blue color. Nice, thin, but again, not the type of fabric that's clinging to your body and showing everything. And remember, if you're wearing a white top, use a nude, not a white bra underneath for you to have a seamless look. So J. Crew 365 stretch t-shirt in Tencel, on sale right now, and it's available in a million colors. The blue that I have is, I'm clicking on it, Warm Forest. If you guys are wondering, that's the color that I have. I also bought this in the vintage burgundy. I was gonna wear that today and I totally forgot, but I really like the vintage burgundy color. It's a nice deep red. And I got the black and the white one, but there's like 10 colors, so it's a great basic. I'll probably end up buying this in more colors as I find ones that I like that go in my color story. So awesome. Staple every day for me. I've worn this with my leather shorts, with jeans. I've dressed it up with a blazer and heels. I love it. It will go with anything and everything for me. So thumbs up on the J. Crew 365 stretch t-shirt. Thank you, readers, for recommending it. Awesome job, of course. And if you want to find out more of the readers' favorite t-shirts, please head over to our article about the best t-shirts for travel. And they happen to be really good for everyday life too. We'll include a link in the comments below.